Hello everyone. So for people that have cars that maybe you want to have put in a little more luggage space, there's this place called D2 Autorack. There's the signage. And I'm gonna get this box installed here. Right now they're unwrapping it. They sell Thule, their official Thule distributor or seller. Oh boy, that sounds very good. I gotta see if so this thing is probably half or even a third the price of a Thule. But it seems, you know, similar material. I shall ask what it is, if it's polycarbonate or what. So they're prepping up a new rack rail system. It's just going to clamp into the doorways. I will show you the inside of the store. So yeah, they sell all the mounts, the roof rails, bike racks, all the Thule stuff, and then all the boxes here, and pleasantly their prices there. I'm pretty sure the prices are really high because these must be imported. There's extremely high import tax on almost everything in this country. Does the height going to be a problem? How tall is that one? Okay, I think I'll just look at this. So they just put the base into the rain gutter area. Steel clamp goes into the door wheel. It's not the prettiest rack out there, but I'm told that the more attractive ones for this car are not very strong. At least this is steel. It's not going to break, hopefully. See, the bottom has some steel rails. So this rack is capable of holding 100 kilograms. That's a lot. And the reason why this rack is being put on is because this Sienta doesn't have any hard points to use a Thule system. So it just has to use the steel clamps in there. The box itself is made of ABS plastic, and it has a 5-year warranty, but I'm told it is UV protected, so it could theoretically stay up there for a very long time. The box as well would be able to hold 100 kilos, I am told. So it's good that they mounted the rails as far apart as possible to distribute the load better, I think. And then yeah, you can see there's just steel bars where they're going to clamp it down. I think this section here is extruded aluminum, but the rest is steel. Just hand tightened clamps though for the rail system. Maybe I'll look into switching those over to just nuts and bolts. Quick peek in here. So the span is of the grooves these clamps are going to go into. You'll see in a moment. Yeah, alright, so these are going to clamp on. So it's just a manual clamp, but it's a steel teeth. Yep. And the steel teeth have rubber protectors on them. Yep, there we go. See, that steel one just went right through. and I think this thing can open up in both directions, but we'll find out. If you look at the bottom of the box and the roof, there's a groove in the roof. Those things are perfectly aligned. But in the windshield itself, there's a blackout here of the mirror. The mirror itself is actually offset to that side of the car. So don't look at this black box in the glass, because it's not centered. You want to look at the actual roof itself, which again, the groove of the roof and the groove of the box, they seem to be good. So they know a lot better than I do, obviously. Alright, let's take a look here. I think it looks alright. I'm gonna ruin all my fuel economy advantages, I think, after I put on these raised wheels here, which I have a different video on. I'm gonna have to run some gasoline economy tests and see how much this is ruining my fuel economy. I could always take it off, but I think it looks pretty good. So anyways, this store obviously knows what they're doing. D2 Autorack. They sell Thule, Yakima, and this brand Ketsu, which is like kind of the no-name brand. And the quality does show. It's not as polished as those two brands I mentioned before. You can see in the black of the ABS all these little dimples. It's simply not molded very well. But I don't really care. I'm not driving a Lamborghini. This is not a show car. This is just about getting me and my stuff to where I need to go. Alright, so the final price was 18,900 baht, 16 for the box itself, and then 2,900 for that rack or crossbar. I don't know what that key 95 means, but it's written 5-year warranty. So to open this thing, you want to go right-wise, and you can only open one side at a time. I asked if you could open both sides and have the whole thing open, both sides, but it cannot. Alright, so there are those mechanical clamp downs. But there's a sticker here also warning you of what's going on. So 50 kilos, so mistaken. The box is only holding 50 kilos or 110 pounds. But the roof, the rack they sold me says 100 kilos. So, alright. And I think that came with a bunch of straps. Hold on. Okay, so the instructions, and it seems like it might have 3 straps to tie things down. Yeah, instructions are good in case you want to do this yourself. And they're just simple nylon webbing straps. Alright, a delivery truck has come, so I gotta get out of here. Let's close this. Closing it. I think I have to pull it towards myself. Yeah. Turn it counterclockwise. Check it if it's locked. It's locked. Alright, thanks for watching.